Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important. How minimum wage earners can build their skills and education without spending a ton of money or time. If you're feeling stuck and looking for ways to grow, this video is for you. Let's get started. Why focus on skills and education? First, let's talk about why focusing on skills and education is a game changer. If you're earning minimum wage, it can feel like there's no way out. But improving your skills and gaining knowledge can open doors to higher-paying jobs and more opportunities. It's about taking small, steady steps to create a better future for yourself. Find your goal. The first step is to figure out what you want. Ask yourself, what kind of job would you like to have in the next 5 years? What skills do you need to get there? It doesn't have to be something huge. Start with a realistic, reachable goal. For example, you might want to move from retail to an office job or learn a trade like plumbing or carpentry. Use your time wisely. Step 2 is all about time. I know your schedule is probably packed with work, family, and responsibilities, but even 15 minutes a day can make a difference. Think about how you spend your time now. Could you replace a bit of TV or social media scrolling with learning something new? Break it into small chunks, and it'll feel less overwhelming. Make a simple daily plan. For example, spend 10 minutes reading, 10 minutes practicing a skill, and 5 minutes reviewing what you learned. Consistency matters more than anything. Learn for free. There are so many ways to educate yourself without spending money. Look for local libraries, community centers, or online resources. Many libraries have free courses or workshops. And don't forget, books are a goldmine of information. Pick one skill to start with, like improving your typing speed, learning basic coding, or studying for a certification. The key is to focus on one thing at a time so you don't feel overwhelmed. Practice your skills. Learning is important, but putting what you learn into action is what makes it stick. For example, if you're learning customer service skills, practice handling tricky situations with friends or family. If you're working on writing, try journaling every day or writing short stories. Remember, practice doesn't have to be perfect. It's about progress. Every little bit you do adds up over time. Network and ask for help. Don't do it alone. Networking and asking for help can open doors you didn't know existed. Talk to coworkers, mentors, or even friends who've been where you are. They might have tips, advice, or even opportunities to share. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Most people are happy to share their knowledge and experiences. And remember, building relationships is a skill too. Track your progress. Keep a simple journal or checklist of what you've learned and achieved. This can motivate you to keep going, especially on tough days. Seeing how far you've come can give you the confidence to keep pushing forward. Celebrate small wins along the way. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to stay motivated. Find a learning buddy to keep each other accountable. Reward yourself for hitting milestones like finishing a chapter or mastering a skill. Keep reminding yourself why you started. Whether it's for a better job, more freedom, or to make your family proud, stay focused on your why. And that's it. Remember, it's all about taking small, consistent steps. You don't have to change everything overnight. Start where you are, use what you have, and keep moving forward. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.